So I already washed my hair, and I'm using these products by Tia Mowry, which was sent to me. This is the For You brand, and I started off by using the clarifying shampoo, which looks like this. I'll insert the clip here. But I started off using the clarifying shampoo, and it deeply cleanses and removes buildup. It has apple cider vinegar and Hemi 15. I didn't know what Hemi 15 was, so I had to look it up online, but it's an alternative for using silicone. I'm not really big on certain stuff, but it is silicone-free and sulfate-free. That's a plus. So after using the clarifying shampoo, which was not stripping at all, it was very moisturizing compared to the detox that I used. Did it remove a lot of buildup in my hair? I really didn't have that much, so I can't really give you my honest opinion whether it took all of the product buildup out of my hair, because I really didn't have that much. I just washed my hair not too long ago. I did follow it up with a moisturizing shampoo, and usually after I detox my hair or clarify my hair, I like to go in with a clarifying shampoo just to soften it up, to bring back some moisture before I go in with any deep conditioners, anything like that. So I did use the For You moisturizing shampoo. It says that it gently cleanses and softens, and it has a watermelon smell. It has the Hemi 15 in it as well. It's a real light, faint smell of watermelon, so it's not that strong for people that is very particular about having strong scents in their hair. It's a really light watermelon sweet smell. Love that. So I went in with the moisturizing shampoo. It lathers up really, really good. So I love that about shampoos that lathers my hair. It lets me know that my hair is being cleansed. Now we are about to style my hair, and I do have the For You leave-in cream. It says smooth frizz and softly holds. It has flaxseed and Hemi 15. So if you follow my channel and you watch my natural hair video, you saw that I created a video using my DIY flaxseed. I'll insert the video here. Really, really love flaxseed in my hair. The thing that I love about the packaging is it has a twist cap like that. No pump. So I love that. And you just take some out into your hands. The only thing is you would have to wipe off the top, because it'll get icky. So yeah, that's the only downside, but I do like the twist packaging. I really like that. So my hair been in a towel for quite some time, so I'm gonna go ahead and separate it into sections so we can start styling it. So like I mentioned, my hair is really dry, so I'm gonna spray this area with some water first before applying the leave-in conditioner. I didn't detangle or anything like that, so we're gonna be using this leave-in conditioner to see how good it is for detangling hair. Love the twist cap. So let's put about that much. I guess that's a dime size amount. You can see how moisturizing it is. Look how it's moving down my hand. All right, so we're just going to apply this to the entire section right here, and I'm working it in from, okay, my hair does feel really soft. It does feel really moisturizing. I do feel like it's going to be nice and easy for me to detangle my hair as well. It has a lot of slip to it. I could feel it. Definitely want to apply this on wet hair before you start to detangle your hair, of course. So I'm just going to go in with my detangler brush just to comb out my hair and see how, oh, okay. Now y'all know I have some very tight coils. My hair is tightly coiled. It's just gliding through. Love that. So that was easy to detangle my hair. So this curl defining gel says it delivers definition and shine, and it has aloe vera and Hemi 15 in it as well. Long lasting styling gel that defines curl. It gives you flexible hold and protection for the environmental stressors. Now, y'all know I'm a huge heavy hold type of girl when it comes down to my gels. I like the cast in my hair and everything. Now this says it has a flexible hold, so I'm not really sure how my hair is going to react to this, but it also has the twisty top as well. So I'm going to put some in my hand. Okay, so it's like a gel, soft type of cream consistency. What? It says flexible hold, so I'm not really sure how my curls is going to react, but we want to try it out. So I'm going to apply this to the entire section as well, and I'm just raking the gel through with my fingers. I don't use a styling tool to add the gel to my hair. So I'm just working it through. And like I said, my hair is really, really thick. My coils are super tight. So I'm just working it through. The last time that I checked my hair, I had medium porosity hair. Now that could have changed. I'm just trying to give you a background on my curls. I'm going to continue to do the same steps through my entire head, and I'll come back and let you all see what it looks like once I'm finished adding all of the products. I think I went kind of heavy on this side, so I'm hoping that we don't have any white flakes. I did go heavy-handed with the leave-in. I was trying to do a lot. I was over here filming TikToks and Instagram reels, and I was just going there with the leave-in. Y'all know us naturals don't use just a dime size anyway. Okay, so let's jump into these bangs. we're going to talk about it. These products are by Tia Mowry. Her brand is called For You. When their PR team contacted me, I didn't get the conditioner. So I don't have any conditioners from the For You brand to review for you all. I did pick the clarifying shampoo because I usually use a lot of heavier products on my hair and I get built up. I go from a wash and go to a pineapple to all different, a whole bunch of different styles. So I decided to get the clarifying shampoo and then the moisturizing shampoo by For You. Then I just have the two stylists, which is the leave-in curl cream and then the curl defining gel. I am applying all these products on soaking wet hair. I just mentioned to you all that I went kind of heavy-handed with the leave-in conditioner, the leave-in curl cream on this side of my head, so hopefully it doesn't flake up. The For You products are very reasonable. They're $9.99 for each bottle and you get a nice size. It's a 13 fluid ounce bottle and it's super cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on these bangs and then I'll be right back. So now you can see why I always save my bangs for last, because I can't see you. But anyway, we're gonna let this air dry. I'm not gonna, sorry I gotta talk to you all like this, but I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm trying not to touch it to create any frizz or anything. This is what it looks like after I applied all the products to my hair. Can you see? This side of my hair is way fuller than this side, although this side is still wet. I usually sleep on this side, so straight off the top, first impressions. My hair does have a lot of movement to it because it's no cast from the gel and it's defined. It's really, really soft. That's all I'm gonna say right now. So stay tuned for my final thoughts once my hair is dry. Hear me out, hear me out. So this is actually the second wash and go that I did. Let me tell you why. So the first wash and go that I did, that I was showing y'all everything, I was explaining the end portion of my hair when my hair was completely dry, what I did like and what I didn't like about my curls. And as I'm explaining it, I'm like fluffing my hair out, showing you. Let me just insert the clip. My curls look really good. I honestly think that I could get probably 3 to 4 days out of this wash and go, even though I have such a soft hold, but it has a lot of volume, a lot of movement, a lot of bounce. And what's more surprisingly to me is that I don't see any white flakes. Y'all saw in the process of me adding the products to my hair that I had a lot of white cast around this area. For some strange reason, I no longer have that. So I don't know if it was just because my hair was still a little damp, but I don't see it. So I do have a professional lighting setup going on here, but I wasn't able to see all of the fallout that I had on my shirt or on my neck, on my back, everywhere. I'm just like fluffing my hair out and I'm telling y'all like, look girl, my curls look good. I don't have no fallout and I'm doing all this. No. I was definitely disappointed. I was so disappointed. Fast forward to now. So I did the wash and go completely over. My styling process was a little different this time. Instead of using a lot of the leave-in curl cream and the curl defining gel together, I did not do that this time. For some reason, I think, and this is just my opinion, I'm not a scientist, I don't know, but mixing these two products together in thicker texture hair, it leaves a white cast. I don't usually look at other people's videos when I'm doing a review on a product because I don't want their opinion to weigh on me. Once I saw that my hair had that white cast on it when I did the wash and go the first time, I started looking at YouTube videos to see what everybody else was saying. Like, what is going on here? Now, out of 3 of my favorite content creators that I look at that do natural hair and review natural hair products, only one of them had a lot of white flakes. The other 2 didn't. And one of them texture is a little different than mine. Her hair is definitely finer. Her curls are finer than mine. But the other one, her curl texture is similar to mine and she didn't have any white flakes either. So that's why I wanted to redo the wash and go just to see if, I don't know, maybe I used too much of one product. So that's what I did. I used a drop of the leave-in curl cream just to detangle my hair because it's really good at detangling your hair. And this is how my curls came out. I don't see any white flakes. I'm gonna look back on this footage and I'll let y'all know somewhere whether or not I see it. But I don't see any white flakes and nothing, and my hair looks really good. My curls look really fluffy. I did use a little bit of the curl cream with it. Next time I probably just don't even use the curl cream. But mixing these 2 together is a no-go. No-go for my hair. It just doesn't work for me. It don't work for me. It didn't work for 2 other Instagram content creators that I talked to as well. That's just my thoughts. I think when you're styling your hair, you shouldn't use both of them. Pick one or the other. If you're a gel girl, use the gel. If you like prefer creams over gel, then use the cream and see how that works for you. If you already purchased the products, I do like the curl defining gel, although it's not something that I'm used to. My hair is used to having a cast. I like the cast because I get a longer hold on my curls and they just look so good, but my curls look good, although it's a light hold. And one thing that I will point out, it was less than 3 hours, and scalp, roots, all of that was dried up. And y'all know my hair usually takes 24 hours to dry if I'm doing a wash and go and letting it air dry. So my final thoughts and review on these products. So starting off with the clarifying shampoo, not really a huge fan of it, and I think it's personal preference, because usually when I use a detox or a clarifying shampoo, I wanted to strip my hair of everything. I wanted to get everything out of my hair. This was more moisturizing to me, so I'm not a fan of moisturizing clarifying shampoo. This moisturizing shampoo right here, I really like this. This was probably one of my favorite products out of the whole line, and a little bit goes a long way. It does have that sweet watermelon smell to it, but it's very faint. I don't think it's overpowering or nothing like that if you really don't like strong smells. So I do like the shampoo. It was definitely moisturizing, and I would repurchase this because it's only $9.99. Moving on to the leave-in curl cream by For You. This was really good at detangling my hair. I do think it serves its purpose as a detangler. I didn't use it by itself, so I don't know how it will work in a wash and go. You could try it out. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have. It did the job for me because I didn't have a leave-in conditioner or a conditioner by For You. So this worked out really good for detangling my curls. Y'all know my hair is kinky. Now the curl defining gel, I do like it. However, I prefer a cast over my hair, but I'm not mad at the curls. Like, they look really good. They look really defined. So I like my hair. I mean, switch it up sometimes. We don't always gotta have them hard curls, girl. It's springtime. You might want to let your hair be a little fluffy, a little flowy. So I like it. Minus the flakes though. Minus the flakes. So again, my opinion is just don't use both of these together. If you get white flakes, try to use one or the other. That's just what I got. Thank you so much for watching my review. Let me know down in the comment section below if you tried these products, if they work for you. Did you get white flakes? Was your hair defined? Girl, just let me know everything. So I'll see y'all in the next one.